spiritual Manthan.
In the grand tapestry of life, there comes a time when we must embark on a journey of the soul, a journey toward the divine within us. But in this age of constant connection and never-ending noise, there is a powerful truth that often goes unnoticed, a truth that has the potential to transform your spiritual journey into something truly extraordinary. And that truth is this: you must be alone during your spiritual journey. Today, my friends, we shall unravel the profound reasons why solitude is the sacred key to unlocking your innermost potential, igniting your spiritual growth, and discovering the boundless love that dwells within you. So join me as we delve deep into the transformative power of solitude on your spiritual journey. 1. The essence of solitude. In the hustle and bustle of our fast-paced lives, solitude often appears as a daunting abyss, a barren landscape we fear to traverse. Yet, in the heart of this apparent desolation lies a sanctuary that invites profound transformation. Solitude is not a void of companionship. It's the fertile ground where the whispers of your soul resonate with the cosmos. It's the sacred interlude where your inner self converses with the divine, forging a bond that illuminates the path you were destined to tread. This solitude is not isolation, but an awakening, a canvas where the masterpiece of your spiritual journey is painted with the colors of self-discovery. 2. The inner quest. You see, being alone on your spiritual journey is not an act of escaping the world. It's a courageous dive into the core of your existence. It's in this sacred solitude that you embark on an inner quest, a profound journey of self-discovery. As you navigate the depths of your own being, you uncover hidden facets of your soul, shedding the layers of societal conditioning and external influences. This inner exploration becomes a crucible of transformation, forging you into a radiant being, glowing with the wisdom and authenticity that arises from embracing your true self. Your metamorphosis is nothing short of a sunrise, leaving you shining brighter than the sun itself. 3. The crucible of transformation. Embracing solitude is akin to entering a crucible of profound transformation. Here, you're not merely alone, you're in communion with the deepest recesses of your being. It's in these moments of solitary reflection that you confront the shadows of your past, the scars of old traumas that have held you captive. But know this: within the cocoon of solitude, you are undergoing a magnificent metamorphosis. Just as a caterpillar painstakingly transforms into a butterfly, your spirit too emerges from this cocoon more vibrant and resilient than you ever imagined. Solitude is the chrysalis where your true essence takes flight. 4. The liberation of authenticity. In the profound solitude of self-discovery, you embark on a journey of liberation, a liberation from the masks you've worn for the world. Here, beneath the gentle gaze of your own soul, conformity dissipates like mist in the morning sun. There is no longer a need to seek validation or dance to the rhythm of others' expectations, for you are free, gloriously free, to express your authentic self without fear or judgment. As you embrace your authenticity, your very presence becomes a radiant beacon, illuminating the path for others. Your liberation inspires them to cast aside their own masks and embrace their uniqueness. In this authenticity, we discover the power to uplift and unite, for it is in our unfiltered selves that we find the purest connection to others. 5. The reclamation of energy. In the cacophony of modern life, it's all too easy to unknowingly relinquish our precious energy to those who do not serve our higher purpose. Toxic individuals can act as energy vampires, leaving us drained and doubting our worth. However, in the sacred solitude of your spiritual journey, you'll acquire a profound skill, the ability to reclaim your energy. Here, you'll forge boundaries, strong as steel, against those who once held you back. This reclamation is transformative, turning you into an unstoppable force, a beacon of resilience. Your journey is not just about self-discovery, It's about reclaiming the essence of your vitality and strength. 6. The Art of Self-Love. Within the cocoon of solitude, you embark on a profound journey of self-discovery and self-love. Here, you learn that the most profound and enduring love story is the one you have with yourself. It's a revelation that true love is not found in the embrace of another, but in the gentle embrace of your own heart. In these moments of solitude, you become your own greatest ally, your own most trusted confidant. You nurture your soul with compassion and kindness, tending to its deepest needs. As you fill your own cup with self-love, it overflows, becoming a wellspring of love that touches every corner of your existence. This self-love becomes a transformative force, radiating from within you like a beacon of light. You become a vessel of love, effortlessly uplifting and inspiring others by your mere presence. It's in solitude that you discover the profound truth: to love others unconditionally, you must first love yourself. Your journey towards self-love becomes a gift not only to yourself, but to the world around you, as you become a source of boundless love and inspiration. 7. The Transformation of Beliefs. In the sacred cocoon of solitude, a profound transformation unfolds, a metamorphosis of the mind and spirit. Here, you confront the beliefs that have tethered you to a reality that no longer serves your deepest aspirations. The quietude of solitude grants you the space to question the influences that have shaped your perception of the world. It empowers you to embrace the truth that you are a natural leader, not meant to conform to the dictates of the crowd. In this solitary journey, you awaken to the beauty of thinking anew, to forging beliefs that resonate with the essence of your soul. 8. The Divine Connection. As you walk the path of solitude, you'll witness the profound transformation of your connection with the divine. In the stillness of your soul, you'll come to understand that you don't need external validations or companionship to feel complete. Instead, you'll realize that the wellspring of love emanates from within you, and you are the master of your own destiny. In the sacred space of solitude, you forge a direct link with the divine source, an unbreakable bond that guides your steps and fills your heart with an unending well of spiritual wisdom and strength. 9. The Extraordinary Destiny. As you tread the path of solitude on your spiritual journey, envision the extraordinary destiny that awaits you. It is a destiny steeped in profound wisdom, a wisdom born from the depths of your soul's exploration. You possess a unique insight, a clarity of purpose that sets you apart. While others may wander aimlessly, you're on the verge of realizing your deepest desires. Your journey holds the power to manifest love beyond measure, a love that flows from the wellspring of your own heart. Liberation from pain is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality awaiting your embrace. Your destiny, my friend, is a symphony of transformation and a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit. 10. The Power of Now. In those moments of profound solitude, the world around you might seem hushed, and the path you tread might appear solitary, but it is in these very moments that you grasp the true essence of the now. As you navigate the depths of your being, you'll come to realize that being alone is not about loneliness. It's about embracing the present moment with unwavering focus. It's a pilgrimage where you unearth the treasure trove of self-discovery and growth, where past and future fade into insignificance, leaving only the brilliance of now to guide your way, illuminating the path to a deeper understanding of your true self and purpose. 11. The Sanctuary of Your Soul. As you walk this path, remember that, within the sanctuary of your soul, you shall find the true essence of your being, a light that guides your way, and a boundless love that dwells within. Your life is about to become truly extraordinary. So, my dear fellow traveler, on this spiritual odyssey, embrace the transformative power of solitude. It is within the stillness, within the sanctuary of your soul, that you shall find the answers you seek. You are never truly alone, for the universe and the divine are by your side. You are on the brink of realizing your desires, of manifesting a life beyond your wildest dreams. Remember, being alone during your spiritual journey is not a path to loneliness, but a sacred pilgrimage, a journey of self-discovery and growth. Embrace this solitude, honor the wisdom that unfolds within you, and watch as your life becomes a testament to the extraordinary power of the human spirit. Thank you for joining us today on this transformative exploration of solitude in your spiritual journey. If you found this message inspiring, please consider sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Until we meet again, may you continue to shine brightly on your path, and may your days be filled with boundless love and inner peace.